Hello, welcome to Bible University. Today we're going to handle sign up and login. Signing up and logging into your application is the most used feature in any application. Your users will either be signing into your application, or they will be signing up, creating a new account, or trying to log in into a pre-existing account. There are so many ways you can sign up on Bubble. You can do so using the normal email authentication. You can do so using social media authentication like Google, Twitter, Apple sign-in. Any of those sign-in is cool. And you can also use third-party sign-in. I mean, people can sign in using Facebook into your application. Lots of different ways, but the most basic way is to use email auth. Almost everyone who has a social media account must have an email, except in some countries where people get to use phone numbers to sign in, but they always find a way to get an email one way or the other. And also, I think on Bubble you can also do phone number sign in. It really depends on how you want to do it, but today let's just focus on getting email sign in and sign up working. So our users, when they log in into our application, will be able to create an account, and they will be able to sign in into the created account. Okay, first thing first, we're just going to put an alert on the screen that tells people, hey, you signed in successfully, hey, you logged in successfully. So we're going to do that right here. So this is going to be my alert. I'm going to draw in a column. Don't worry if you don't know how to use any of this. Don't let it bother you. Don't let it bother you. It's just a test. That's all I'm putting in here. It's just a test that says you are logged in. Yeah, you are logged in. That's the only thing you see here. And you're logged in, and I'm gonna create another page. So this is my test page right here. I'm going to create another page that says when they are signed up. So signed up. So this is where they go when they sign up. I'm doing this because I want to show you that you can actually redirect people when they sign in and when they log in into the application. So let's go here. You have signed up. So these are signed up application, and then we have the test. We have this as they sign in, when they sign in. Or let's just create another one so we don't have any confusion in here. Go here, create a new page, and we'll call it sign in. Create, and we'll go ahead and paste that test in here. You are logged in, right? So now, another thing you have to do is to create a page where you will put the login and the sign up button, or the sign up button and the login button. You create a different page entirely, right? So we'll call this auth, AUT underscore sign up. So this is the sign up page, right? And the next one, we're going to call it auth. So the next one will be called auth underscore sign up. So let's do the first thing first. We'll bring in a group. Or let's just not talk about a group here. It's fine. Let's not talk about a group. Let's talk about input. Let's add an input. So you need two fields. We need the username right here, and then we need the password. So we'll say, so I just duplicated that, Control D, that's all. So we need the username. So this is going to be the email. Yeah. And then this is going to be the password. So we have the password, and the content format here is going to be password, and then we'll click here. The content format here is going to be email. So you see email and password. So where you have type here, we would say input your email, and here we would say input your password. See it, right? So this is login, and then we have to add one more component, and this is going to be called a button right here. So the button is going to say sign up. That's the button. And remember, you can add as many fields as possible. You can call it email, password, username, anything you want to collect, it's fine. So we'll have to put an action right here. But before we put an action, we'll go to our database and see what field do we have in this user database. So we have email, we have date, and we have created date, and we have slot. So that's all we need. We do not need a password field, as Bubble handles that for us. So we'll go back here, click here, and we'll say add workflow. When we add workflow, we'll say, what do you want? What kind of workflow do you want? We want to sign up the user. So it's going to be under account. We want to say sign up the user. The email is going to be from the form, right? And this is going to be here, right here. From the form, input your email. Value, right? You're getting it. So the next one is going to be password, value, you're getting it. And then it's going to say, hey, what do you want people to do immediately after the sign up? We're going to say navigate to which of the page? Signed up. This one. This is where we're going. We're going to sign up. And also another thing you can do is that you can send them an email to confirm that they've signed up. If you click here, it's going to tell you which page do you want to go to when they confirm their email. But don't worry, we don't want to do that. And also you can tell them they can also require email confirmation, and the confirmation is going to be another page. But this is fine, as people will use copy and paste, and most of our phones and our PC will always remember our emails. So that's fine. Okay, so before we test that, let's go ahead and copy all of this. Just copy all of this, or don't worry, we don't have to copy. We'll go ahead and create another page, and we'll call this auth sign in, and we'll say copy clone from auth sign up. So we're doing very similar thing, the same email, the same password, but this time we'll change this to sign up, and we'll edit the workflow. When the user click here, we'll tell them we want you to sign up. So click here and says authentication, log the user in. That's it. So we'll log the user in. Let's take this till move this to the beginning. And we say, where do we want to go when they are logged in? We would say we want them to go to sign in, and then we want them to go to, we want to take their email value, and also we want to take their password value. That's it. That's it. We're almost done. So to enable us test, we're going to go to our sign in page and our sign up page and our sign in page, and put logout buttons. So we'll create here and put the button here, and we'll just say logout. So this is just going to be a logout button. Add workflow. What do we want? We want to log the user out. When we log the user out, we will go to the login page. So if we log the user out from the signed up, we will go to the sign up, the sign up page. So we'll go to page signed up, right? So we just copy this, let's take it to the sign in page right here, paste. We're going to log the user out. Log the user out, and after logging the user out, we're going to take the user to go to page to the sign in page. So you get it right, because the reason why we're doing this is so that we can test properly, and so that we can we can test the sign up and we can test the sign in, and also because Bubble keeps the session. So if there's no way to lock the user out, that person remains signed in for a very long time, and we don't want to let that happen during the test. So we'll go to our auth sign up, and we're going to preview now. So this is the time of truth. If you've set up your authentication very well, you've set up your sign in and your email very well, you should get this. This should work very well for you. And also you see that we didn't touch the database, right? We didn't touch the database because it comes pre-configured. And so if you're just getting started building an application, I advise that you do not use complex sign in. You do not use complex sign in, like trying to sign in with Google, Apple Art, one-time sign in, any of those sign up. You don't have to use it. What you can do is just use email and password so you can roll out your product as fast as possible. So we're going to put in any email of our choice, admin@mypassword.com. Just going to copy this, and my password is going to be 123456789. That's my password. The reason why we have this password visible and not visible is because we're using we made this feed a password feed, so that's why. So we click on sign in. Yes, so you see you have signed up, and now we can log out. So I'm going to log out. Click. We're logged out. Oh, we logged out now. We're logged out, but we are still on the same page, so we didn't configure that very well. So let's go back to our other page. We have the odd sign in. So preview now. So you can see we have the input, we have the email, we have the password. But one thing that you also notice is that once you create any user in your application, on the data side of things, we check out our user and we go to app data. We come back to all users. We should see our admin, the time it was created, the date it was modified, right? Same thing. So let's go back to we're going to log in with that same account, admin. Yeah. Now we are signed up already. We want to sign in. Let's go back to it. Let's go check it out. Oh, we didn't change this. So let's go sign in. Yeah. So let's go edit workflow. Log in the user. Right. So we're right. So let's refresh to effect those changes. So we do so, and then we put our password 123456789. Sign in. So as you can see, it says you are logged in, and then I can log out, and that's how easy it is to do. So that's it for this lesson. Go try it out. Let me know how it works in the comment section, and don't forget to subscribe if you're just new to this channel. Don't forget to subscribe and leave the notification bell on so that you can always get new notification whenever there's a lesson in the Bubble University. I'll see you in the next lesson. There's some useful links below. Do remember to use them and check them out. I'll see you then. Thank you.